said that the Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, no be small thing. They say the man don use him leg waka with the army men for inside the camp wey Biafra Liberation Army dey. Aye, things are happening, but unfortunately, as Hope Uzodinma get there, he find that there is no camp. And I be say that the camp don tilo. But however, we go look how this thing take dey happen for inside that area. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. They say that Biafra Liberation Army don come outside o, come talk say that the camp wey Nigeria army dey claim say they don capture, say nothing like that. They dey still dey for Osrumogho, dey wait for them for inside their camp. That if they say they capture their camp, let them post it in a public so that everybody go see am with their crocodile eyes. Say even Hope Uzodinma, according to their CCTV camera, say they see Hope Uzodinma for that area. They carry am come, but they no reach their camp, but they show am another thing. Now I can say this one go red though, but however, we go play the video, may you watch. Please watch this video from beginning to end so that you go understand and hear wetin dey go on. Okay, my people, we will see you as you don't watch the video finish. We'll come back and continue.
To show Hope how far that I've gotten, and then I believe Hope Matter has them. Where are they come now? I thought you people say you conquered the camp. Yeah, I was expecting you to be in the camp. Fake people, fake nation, and fake leadership. And yesterday was also the day we used to do some cleansing within. And we decided that everywhere should be calm. Today is another great day. And then I'm only here to give this warning to those of you that are already in it and still planning to sabotage this effort. The message for saboteur. I will give you a little update and then release the warning. Today's message is mainly for saboteur. I've told you, even though this war will last 1,000 years, they can never defeat us. That one is for sure. The Jew can never, in their whole imagination, defeat us. Some of you come and say they have shown some shrines, some of our shrine, then video, then and then I will ask you a question: where? At home, in the building, in the house, in uncompleted building, right? Now let me also tell you this: that some of them came with native doctor, and when they are falling, they will not display those things that they came with and video it and send to you. We are in the forest. Now, let me show you something. I just want to show you something. Tell them to show you the tent. The tent. We build tent. We no build block house. We build tent in the forest. Where a place that can just cover us against the rain, as the rain fell last night, and against the sun. We build tents. We do not build house. Okay? And if they say they have conquered us, tell them, video the forest now. You're supposed to have video in the forest, their tent, and as an evidence. And why am I still talking? Why am I still in the same forest talking? Why? I am inside my tent now. That is why you did not see lift or leaf. Or maybe let me just show you leaf for you to know that I am still Have you seen? This is inside my tent, and that is the leaf. So it's still in the forest. Okay. Now that you see, let's come back to the business. Because I just want you to know that their propaganda will never change. Okay? They cannot stop us, and they cannot win us. We have come to stay. We have come to restore Biafra, and Biafra we will restore. If need be, all of us go die here. Everybody, Nigeria will be condemned beyond repair. Every living thing in Nigeria go by. You just say with the joke. Una go explain tire. You come to war now. Now the land of our ancestors we do. We know the Yoruba land, oh. We know the Hausa land, oh. We the Biafra land, the land of our ancestors. Now where we dey. So whatever effort you put, you are wasting your time. You are wasting your fucking time. Go and go and ask people that were there before you. Ah yes, 8 years you come down. Where Obiano? Have you called Obiano and asked Obiano how far? Where the other idiotic person in Enugu before?
State this
Where are they? Omai. Where is Omai? Dave Omai. Where is he? Rocha Rokorocha. Where is he? How long are you going to last? How long are you going to last? You can't defeat us. We remain unshakable. We remain unmovable. So therefore, there is nothing you can do that will shake us or will change our demand. We only demand for freedom. And it's not that we didn't give you option, no. We gave you option. Choose peace or pieces. You say you choose pieces. Nigeria must pieces. You never see anything, no. You never see anything. Nigeria must be pieces because now the option you choose. Until all of you will run, look for a way to hide your face. And you will never see anywhere to hide your face. Too much. You see this death you brought upon the indigenous people. This death you brought upon a little children. This death you brought upon indigenous people. You must face this death. You must face the death squarely. And those of you who were shouting, one Nigeria, how far now? You don't chop. Hunger is dealing with you. Oh, God is wonderful. Chuko kika biyama ekele digigi. You are wonderful. Then staff us 1970 after Civil War. Could you imagine that the people that die after war are even more than people that bullet killed during the war? Could you imagine that the people, Biafran children, adult, women, men, old and young that die because of starvation after the war are more than people that bullet kill? If you understand, you will know this. Many of them die for the lack of food. There was no food. But this is the same word then declare no victory, no banquet. They did not only starve our children to death. They also seize our money. Today, the spirit of those Biafran that starved to death is hunting Nigeria down today. and are crying hunger. Una never see something. The same way they die of hunger through Nigerian starvation is the same way Nigerians go die of hunger. This is just introduction of hunger. Dollars today is 1,900. By the time dollars will increase to 3,000 per dollars, una will begin to use knife cut your flesh. You will cut your flesh, roast and chop. Idiot! It is say we are here to joke. We are not here to joke. So this morning, I'm here to tell you that upon all their weapons and all whatever thing they came with, they still never be able to conquer a very small people when not even reach, they not even reach, they not even reach 500, so they don't feel conquer. Talk less when we combine force or we call for backup. They are too small. These people are too small. And we will give them time, as I told them, that when your madness stop, that is where our own begin. And they know it. They know it. How much have you wasted so far? Today is 12 days. How much have you wasted so far? What have you achieved? Nothing. Nothing. You cannot win this war over your dead body. You can never win it. When we say we need Biafra, when we say we need Biafra, Biafra is what we will get. And as I told you before, that anything we determine to get, that is what we will get. No matter how hard you try to stop us, you will end up dying. You can't stop us. At the end, Biafra will be a match. Go and write it down. You see this war? You see this war? You see this war? You go wish you never started it in the first place. At the end, you wish you never started this war in the first place. My joy is that, my very great joy is that this war you started have exposed so many secrets to us. Do you know the secret this war have exposed to us? This war have exposed so many saboteurs that was in our midst for us, and we have catch them. For some days now, have you been hearing your informer's voice? Have you been getting information from your informant? That is one beautiful thing this war do to us. Harry, you did not embark on this war, we couldn't have known so many saboteurs, so many of your eye you inserted among us. That is one thing this war have done to us. This war have exposed so many top officers that was in our midst, giving you information, becoming your eye. This war have exposed them, and we have, catch them. That is one thing. This war have also exposed so many villagers that are, because of greed, money, sold their life to the devil. That are able to help you point out some people which you have gotten them arrested, innocent people, because then they do business, then they sell their goods, then they laugh with us. We have also laid hands on many villagers that have been selling this struggle for you people. So this is the beautiful thing this war have done to us. This war have exposed so many hidden secrets. And as we always say, the land of Biafra is the kingdom of God on earth. And there will be no saboteur that will enter in it. This idiot go carry fake name. He saying be ban Njeru. You carry fake name, you do not have picture. I don't even need to respond to you, idiot. Let's continue. It's irrelevant. If you want to talk to me, put your picture there. Let's talk. So therefore, this war have really exposed so many things to us. I remember you did not start. Your eye could have still remained here. Your eye for still remain in our midst. But you came, and based on the information your informant gave you, that you can do it, you came with all assurance, giving hope, all the assurance, say, hope, we can do it, let's go. You came. Have you able to do it? You cannot, and you'll never able to. Over your dead body, you can never win us. So we have gathered them. Okay? All your eyes in the midst of us, we have gathered them. And many of them have run away. But those important ones, which you know, that I know, that we know, the hands of Chukwu Kikabiama have touched them.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, Shekwana don't watch the video. I wanna see how they go for that area as they hope Uzodinma, the people wey in the send, may they go by Biafra Liberation Army. Say, but I say they know they reach the inside. And why the Nigeria government army no they release the videos of the place where they don't capture. At least we go to see for our eyes. But they say that one of the army general don't come outside make statement today. He said that they are coming with full force for inside Southeast because the way they buy their men, he say it don't too much. Now I can say, hey, this one go red though. But however, we are still watching. The Biafra Liberation Army say they still there where they do. Then they no come off anywhere. Now I can say hi. However, that's how it be. And I will say most still bring and come share our people. Say may they see what thing they happen. Okay, my wonderful people, please share this video and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as it they hot.